Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a gallery to a button in Showit. Alright, this is actually pretty interesting. You can go ahead and add in a button maybe at the top, at your header. Okay, just click on main site right here at your header. Click on it once more. Let's go to the bottom and click on add elements. Right here, let's go ahead and use button. Okay, maybe we'd add click to view gallery. Okay, like so. And then once done, we wanted this button to connect to a page. Just for example, you could use URL if you want to. Okay. Now let's go ahead and create a new page here under pages. And when you go ahead over to types right here, as the link function, you can go ahead and use a page, a canvas, top of a page, a social link, and so on and so forth. So we're going to be using page. Okay. And these are my available pages right here. So let's just go ahead and create one. Again, pages right here, add a blank page like so. This is our blank page. Then maybe I'm going to move it just here below 404. Rename, capital letter gallery with a smiley, then hit on save. And then here I'm going to go ahead and click on new canvas and then add in an element. Okay, let's go ahead and click on gallery like so. Make it bigger if you want to. You can customize this however you want. Just double click on it and go ahead and add in the photos that you would want to add. Okay. You can use this function right here to upload a photo. Now I'm just going to use maybe these photos right here. And by the way, if you want to select multiple, you can go ahead and hold Control key on your keyboard or just hover your mouse onto the check mark. Okay. Once everything is selected, you can go ahead and click on this arrow key right here and hit on save. There you go. Adjust the photos however you want, like the effects and whatnot. And then let's just go ahead and focus on linking this to the button above. Okay. Now let's go back to home right here. And then let's click on main site at the top or at the header. Okay. Make sure that gallery is enabled. And then once done, click on it again. Click on the button, click actions. Type, page, select the page, gallery. Okay. And then once that's done, you can now go ahead and hit on preview to test it out. And when we hit on click to view gallery right here, it should open up the gallery. Okay. And that is it. As you can see here, if you want a carousel-like gallery, you can go ahead and edit it. Like go back to gallery right here and then just click on it. Now go ahead over to gallery settings, the type, try sliding carousel. Okay, preview. And then here, as you can see, here we have the page or the gallery page by clicking on the click to view button. Okay. And if you want to as well, for this specific page, if you wanted to get rid of click to view gallery right here, you can go ahead and do that as well. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.